الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على أشرف المرسلين. Today we will study Unit 5, Work and Money. We have 4 lessons. Lesson 1, Working to live or living to work. Lesson 2, Making and spending money. Entrepreneurs. Lesson 4, Saudi Arabia and the world. In Lesson 1, Exercise 1, Reading and Speaking, we have 2 pictures for 2 workers. Read the 2 opinions: who works to live and who lives to work. If we read the 2 opinions, we will see Opinion 1, works to live. This opinion goes with photograph A. The man is smiling, looking relaxed and not in a working environment. It's picture B. Opinion 2, lives to work. This opinion goes with photograph B. The man is in the picture is clearly at work and is concentrating on his job. It's picture A. We will write 1. In word builder, it's about jobs. Classify the following adjectives that can be used to describe jobs as normally positive, normally negative, or could be either negative and positive. Check in pairs using a dictionary when necessary. Let's see the answer. The positive adjectives, as we see, flexible, interesting, satisfying, rewarding, varied, well-paid. But the negative are boring, frustrating, stressful, tiring. Either both negative and positive adjectives, challenging and demanding. Let's complete this table of occupational vocabulary. The first one is about occupation, activity, and adjectives. As we see, it's all about jobs. 1, we will write accountant, who works for accounts, and his work is accounting. The missed word in 3 is architecture. 4, we will write chemist. 6, we will write lower. 7, it's a management. We have the word builder for finances, as we see in the picture. Match words with a definition. As we see, the words are save, capital, earn, profit, invest, loss, win. They are all finances. The first one is answered, save. It's for or to put money in a safe place. Let's see to capital. What does it mean? Capital means money you have that you can put into a business project. 3, earn. Earn means to make money from work or investments. Profit means money earned by a business or investment. Loss means money lost in a business, project, or investment. 7. Win means to make money from a competition. Exercise B, complete the sentences using the appropriate form of a word from the list in exercise 1 that we will use the previous words or the finances words we studied to fill the gaps in the correct space. As the first, money, people try to win money. 2, people invest. 3, the safest way to save money is through a bank saving. 3, the basic idea of business is to invest capital and make good profit. 4, there is always an element of risk in a business. Instead of earning money, you may take a loss and even go bankrupt. Here we will have the grammar for lesson 2. It's about passives in present, past, future, and modal forms. Here are the examples. Look at the sentences below and underline the verb constructions. The first one is done for you. The first example, let's read it. Sometimes thousands of dollars are won by one person. The underlined words are one is present simple in the passive form. 2, the main prize was won by 29-year-old man. Was won, past, it's past simple passive form. 3 is as to was lost. It's also past simple in the passive form. 4, financial advice will be provided to all winners. Will be provided, it's a future passive form. 5, $10,000 can be spent very quickly. Can be spent, it's a modal verb, can, but in the passive form. Also, 6, the money should be invested. Should, a modal verb in a passive form because it followed by be plus the past participle. From these examples, we see that the present simple passive form, we form it by verb to be is are followed by the past participle. And in the past simple passive form, we use verb to be was, were, it's in past form, followed by the past participle. The future form, we use will, followed by be, plus the past participle. And for the modal verbs, for example, can and should, as we see in 5 and 6, we followed them by be plus the past participle. Be complete the paragraph below using the verbs. We will use them in the passive form. We will put these verbs in the appropriate passive form or in the correct passive form. Let's read. What was then the tallest tower in the world? Was opened. 2. The Eiffel Tower was built, not built. 3. Eiffel's design was chosen from over 700. 4. It's accepted. It's not a passive form, it's active or past active form. 5. Were used. 2.5 million steel rifles were used. 6. The tower weighs approximately 7,000 tons. Weighs here is not a passive form, it's present active. 7. Today the tower is visited is a present passive form as we see. 8. Making the journey to Paris will be impressive. It's a future passive form. 8. Almost the whole of Paris can be seen. Here the modal verb can in the passive form followed by be plus the past participle. 10. It has been used as here it's a present perfect in the passive form. Now, my dear students, we had lesson 1 and lesson 2 for unit 5. See you next time for lessons 3 and 4. Thank you. Goodbye.